Hello. Welcome back to the pet room. David Bradley here. Oh, is that my head? Oh, yeah, that's my head. Okay. Gotta shuffle this light a little here. Okay, so I did not record this because it is too painful. But I did put the two chips in the back of the pet board. I took the board right out. The two chips I fought with and pins that I bent and all that horrendousness I did. Hello, Penny. Don't be coming up here, Penny. No, 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 Penny. I'm working on things. Anyway, now I cannot imagine that if I swap these ROM chips into this machine, that it's got to be different. Because there were three bad ROM chips. Three out of 7. I just gotta know if anything I'm doing is making any progress. So the three bad ones are all in bags. They'll go see Rudy. He can run them through his tester. These, did I get that in okay? Yes, these are from the Blue Bezel Pet. And I have them in the correct positions, the correct configuration. Nothing can go wrong. I would be stunned if I turn this machine on and it does exactly the same as what it did. I would be stunned. I just want it to be something different. So the chips are in, the ROMs are in. Penny is here. Hello, Penny. Thank you for coming. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Oh, I'm going to turn it on and see if I see anything. Okay. Which we have done, of course, because I had the board out. I have not plugged the monitor back in. You may have seen a video a while ago where I was tormented. And it ended up the monitor was not plugged in. That will do it. It will do it. Alright, hang on here. Gotta reach back. Turn this on. It's got to be different. Yeah. It's different. Now, there's nothing coming up. Oh. Well. Okay, let's back up a second here. When you plug in the monitor, but you don't plug in the power to the board, you're not going to get anything. Okay, too much excitement. We're going on. What do we see? Oh my God. It's exactly the same as it was when I push down at the top. It's the same. Ah! I will show you. We're going up. Do. Look at that. The same screen. The same thing. Even though I know the chips are fine. I know it. All right, there must be something else going on here. Maybe it's still, it's gotta, maybe it's that socket. Maybe there's just, I've got to find the deoxit. I think. Oh dear. Well, that is weird. Very, very strange. One thing I should do while I'm here is the 3 screws that came out of this machine, which are very, very rusty on the top. They should go in a little bag. Look at all the rust on that. The threads look alright. I wonder. Well, I'm just touching chips around here. It hasn't been on all that long to see if any of them are remarkably hot. And none of them are. When I push down on that socket, it does the same damn thing. Well, that's just the way it is. So now, basically, I've disabled the 2 working pets that I had here. I've got the other one here. It's doing exactly the same thing. I think what I really need to do is get some cleaner of some sort. Deoxit is the best thing. Of course, I have some in a cabinet that I can't get to because there's pets in front of it and I can't get that out. And who knows, maybe I need to go get more. I've been doing lots of recording today. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. But maybe it's time to say that's enough for today. Anyway, what you're looking at now are the ROMs. Here, I can use this. The ROM chips. There's 4 RAM chips. There's the heart. Soul, the 6502, 6520, and in the back, 6520, 6522, and another ROM chip that torments me because it just keeps doing the same thing, even though I know that chip is okay. I know it's okay. I know it. Oh well. As I say, back to the drawing board. So it is tempting at this moment. Let me look. Rudy just sent me a message. I should count pins on these chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, they are 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Right. Recounted. Indeed. 22 pins. 8.6 millimeters. Yes, these RAM chips are challenging. Okay, so, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, okay. I know what I was just about to say. I think what I'm going to do now is I have over at the end of the desk here another pet that I refer to as the Rusty pet, and as far as I know it works. I'll verify that it works. It's a later machine that I think has 32K. I think I need to move it to make room for another old original board pet that I can then tinker on and test on and fret about. Especially this one. I will fret about this one. I will. But you know, when it all comes down to it, it's funny if I'm just touching around. There could be even a trace on the board that's wonky because I'm pushing on the support chips, but I don't know what they're supporting. But anyway, there's something. Well, I did take my desoldering iron and heated everything up. It's very strange, very very strange. Especially that I replaced those things. The ROM chips do seem to be getting hot. I wonder. I mean, who knows? Could there be a power supply issue? I don't know. I just don't know. Anyway, enough of that for now. I'm going to do some pet shuffling. See about getting another machine here. And who knows, maybe Dusty Rusty Crusty will just have to go and sit somewhere while I ponder. Maybe. But before I do that, of course, if I can't find anything to clean this stuff with, then I will definitely get the two other machines up and working and happy again. And then this one may end up going and sitting. I would like to test the keyboard, which I could do with probably either one of these, but the cord is not long enough. I would have to remove it, but things happen. Anyway, thanks for coming to the pet room. There's always something going on here. Sometimes it's a great triumph, and mostly it's great frustration. Thanks again. David Bradley in the pet room, signing off. Bye for now.